Have you ever felt that itch? That deep yearning for something different? Maybe it's the mundane routine of daily life, or the weight of expectations that feels like a heavy backpack you've been carrying for too long. You scroll through social media, and there they are. Pictures of sun-soaked beaches, bustling city streets, and serene mountain views. It makes you wonder, could I really start anew? What if I told you there are countries out there just waiting for you to pack your bags and dive into a fresh adventure? Today, let's explore 10 amazing countries where you can start a new life. And trust me, each one has its own unique charm. First up is a country called Portugal. Picture this: stunning coastlines, vibrant cities, and a laid-back lifestyle that seems to embrace you like a warm hug. Lisbon, the capital, is a blend of traditional charm and modern flair. You'll find colorful buildings, delicious food, and a welcoming atmosphere. The cost of living is relatively low compared to other Western European countries, making it an attractive option for expats. And let's not forget the wine, port wine, to be specific. Who wouldn't want to sip on that while watching the sunset over the Tagus River? Next, let's hop over to New Zealand. If you're a nature lover, this place is like a dream come true. With its breathtaking landscapes, from lush forests to stunning beaches, New Zealand offers a lifestyle that's deeply connected to the outdoors. The people here are known for their friendliness, and the work-life balance is something to aspire to. You can explore the vibrant culture of Maori traditions while enjoying the thrill of adventure sports. Whether it's bungee jumping in Queenstown or hiking the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, it's a place where every day feels like a new adventure waiting to unfold. Now, let's venture to Costa Rica, a paradise for those who appreciate biodiversity and sustainability. This Central American gem is famous for its lush rainforests and incredible wildlife. The Pura Vida lifestyle here is all about enjoying life and embracing simplicity. It's a great place for expats looking for a peaceful existence surrounded by nature. Whether you're sipping coffee on a balcony overlooking the mountains or exploring the stunning beaches along the Pacific coast, Costa Rica is all about living in harmony with nature. If you're seeking a blend of rich history and modernity, consider moving to Japan. Tokyo, with its neon lights and bustling streets, is a city that never sleeps. But venture beyond the urban sprawl, and you'll find serene temples, beautiful gardens, and a culture that values tradition and respect. Japan is also known for its safety and cleanliness, making it an appealing option for many. Plus, the food: sushi, ramen, and matcha. Your taste buds will thank you. Learning the language might be a challenge, but the effort is worth it when you start connecting with the locals. Next, let's talk about Canada. Known for its friendly people and stunning natural beauty, Canada is a haven for those looking for a new beginning. From the vibrant multicultural cities like Toronto and Vancouver to the breathtaking landscapes of Banff and Jasper National Parks, there's something for everyone. The healthcare system is excellent and the education system is top-notch, making it a great choice for families. Plus, Canada's commitment to diversity means you'll find a welcoming community no matter where you go. If you're craving a warm climate and a vibrant culture, Mexico might just be calling your name. With its rich history, delicious cuisine, and beautiful beaches, Mexico offers a fantastic lifestyle for expats. Cities like Playa del Carmen and Tulum are popular among those seeking a laid-back vibe with plenty of opportunities for adventure. The cost of living is generally lower than in many Western countries, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle while exploring the vibrant local culture. Now, let's take a look at Spain. The allure of Spain lies in its rich history, stunning architecture, and of course, the tapas. Imagine wandering through the streets of Barcelona, soaking in the art and culture, or enjoying the relaxed pace of life in Andalusia. Spain is known for its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and a lifestyle that encourages socializing and enjoying life to the fullest. The healthcare system is excellent, and the people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Plus, with a variety of regions to choose from, you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. For those looking for a unique blend of cultures, consider moving to South Africa. With its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich history, South Africa offers a vibrant lifestyle. Cities like Cape Town are known for their breathtaking views and cultural diversity. The cost of living can be quite affordable, and there are plenty of opportunities for adventure, from hiking Table Mountain to exploring the picturesque garden route. The warmth of the people and the rich cultural tapestry make it a place where you can truly feel at home. Last but not least, let's talk about Germany. If you're looking for a place with a strong economy and excellent infrastructure, Germany is a fantastic choice. Cities like Berlin and Munich are bustling with energy, creativity, and a rich history. The work-life balance is generally good, and the country is known for its quality of life. Plus, the public transportation system is top-notch, making it easy to explore the beautiful countryside and charming towns. And let's not forget the beer and pretzels. So there you have it, 10 incredible countries where you can start a new life. Each one offers its own unique experiences, opportunities, and communities waiting to welcome you. The world is vast, and the possibilities are endless. It's all about finding the place that resonates with your soul, where you can embrace new adventures, meet new people, and truly live life on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Your new life is out there, just waiting for you to take that leap of faith and make it your own.